This is the video that goes with the skill sheet that you received on how to write a linear equation, the integer edition, because we're going to have integers in this problem. The first step says to find the x difference and y difference by subtracting. So this is pretty simple. I just do 6, I take away 3, I get 3, and that's my x difference. To do the y difference, I do -8. I take away 4, which means go down 8, go down 4, I get -12. So -12 is my y difference. Step 2 says to divide the y difference by the x difference to find the slope. So -12 divided by 3 gives me -4, so m is -4. All right, so there's my slope. Next, I need to find the y-intercept. Again, there's 3 methods. I'm going to show you all 3 methods. So method 1, it says you will need to know x, y, and m. Well, I know m. It's -4. Now, x, it's got to be one of these numbers. It's not the x difference that was over here. It's got to be one of these. So I'll pick the first one. X is 3, so my y is 4. All right? Step 2 says to substitute x, y, and m into the equation. So y is 4, m is -4, and x is 3 times 3 plus b. I didn't put anything in for b because I don't know b yet. Step 3 says solve for b. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply these, which gives me -12. The 4 and the equals is the same. The plus b is the same. And I need to find b. I need to get b alone. So I'm going to solve by adding 12 to both sides. So I get 16. These cancel. I get b is 16. So my y-intercept is 16 by method 1. All right, let's take a look at method 2. It says you will need to know x, y, and m. So, okay, m is still -4. The x is still 3, and the y is still 4. Again, substitute x, y, and m into the equation. So I don't know b. I do know y. It's 4. Minus m is -4 times whatever x is, which is 3. Now it just says follow the order of operations to find b. Well, the order of operations says to do multiplication first, so I'll do that. I get -12. I still have 4 minus, and b equals 4 minus -12. It's going to give me 16. So b is 16. Still, b is 16. Method 3, you need to know x, y, and m again. Well, I'm going to choose the exact same x and y I've been using. X is 3, y is 4, and m is -4. Substitute x, y, and m into the equation. So m is -4 times x, which is 3. I got a big blank, equals y. -4 times 3 is -12, equals 4. Now I need to figure out what needs to go into the blank to make the equation true. So what has to go in here in this blank spot to get 4 as my answer? Well, I'm at -12, and I need to go to 4, so I need to increase. I need to go up, and I need to go up 16 spaces. So I'm going to add 16. -12 plus 16 is, in fact, 4, so b is still 16. Okay? So that's how you find the slope and y-intercept. Now all we need to do is put those 3 things together into the equation. So here's the general form of the equation, right here. And it says substitute m and b into the equation. Okay, so m is -4, so I'll put a -4 here. B, we just figured out was 16. I'll put 16 here. And then I'll just say y equals -4x plus 16. And I'm done. There's my equation.